Hey everybody, Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Today, it's nice. It's in the upper 40s, lower 50s. I don't remember exactly. Ooh, let me turn. And it is a very, very nice day. So we are getting some of our yard debris cleaned up. Leaves, sticks, stuff like that. And I want to show you something real quick. Okay, so just taking a quick look around. We haven't actually vacuumed up that much leaves. But the mulch maker is totally full. So we're gonna dump the mulch maker probably right over here. And my other son is over there. He's unloading a bunch of slab wood. Hello. He's unloading a bunch of slab wood that we picked up. We're gonna build garden boxes, and the primary objective with that slab wood is to start building a fence. And I have a couple ideas on how we're gonna do that. Mrs. Locash Homestead wants a fence around all the acreage. That's gonna be a lot of wood, but we're gonna start up at the road. Okay, we're gonna get the mulch maker or the / compost creator. We're gonna get that emptied, and then we're gonna get right back to it. It's Matt with TheLowCash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hey everybody. I got her stuck. I didn't realize this area was as muddy as it is. And although the snow melted and stuff a couple days ago, I figured it would have dried out a little bit more, but it's pretty muddy and I got her stuck. So we're gonna have to take the trailer off and take the compost creator. The mulch maker, have to take it off and get the tractor unstuck. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so I got her stuck. I have some chains for this, and I've never put them on. I actually got the chains for the little red one. A buddy of mine gave them to me. He never used them, and then I have never put them on, and I might have to put them on, or I might just dump the stuff along the edges and then throw it on there later. I don't know. But it's dry enough to get the leaves cleaned up, so we're gonna do that no matter what. We got our little tractor stuck. All right, have a good day. Hey everybody, Matt with TheLowCash Homestead. We got quite a bit done. We got about 2/3 of the ag area mowed and leaf swept, and we got all this beautiful leaf mold and grass clippings and everything right here. I'm not going to do the full area on this because I need to put that caterpillar tunnel up, and I don't want to have, I'd rather put the caterpillar tunnel up and then fill it with and then, you know, build the beds in it. But for the other half of this garden, we're loading it down with this. And if you could, here's a little frame of reference. There's my knee, there's the pile, so it's about 20 inches deep or so in most places. Hey, focus camera. There we go. So we did that. On the inside of the greenhouse, my son used that big pile of cedar mulch that's right over there. Let's see if we can, doesn't seem to want to focus on it, but there it is. And he wheelbarrowed a whole bunch of it in here to cover up a lot of the cardboard and stuff that we put in there. We got this part done. Don't have this part done. There's too many obstacles in there. I'll have to pull the hose off and use the vacuum, just a vacuum hose part. We pulled our tomato cages out, and then you can see the line over there. I mean, you probably should be able to see it anyway. Let's see here. There's the line of where the leaves are and where the leaves are not. I did have one particular problem, and that was when the chipper shredder vac got full, the hose would clog, but it also filled up very fast because we just have a lot of yard waste with the tractor being broken, which is now repaired. I put in a couple new spindles, welded the brackets on the deck, rebuilt the frame where the frame was broke, put new blades on it, And I think there's one other thing that I did that I'm not thinking of right now. Okay, so we got all of that done. And then a big thing that we did today was we went and picked up a bunch of slab wood, which I know it might be hard to see because we're getting dark, but over here, and this is all cedar. All of this is cedar slab wood. Guy that bought the place next to me runs a mill. And yes, there's mills around, but they're, 35, 40 minutes away. This one's about 10. And so I could come over and get slab wood. And I have several plans in mind. I also have that big pile of cedar trees there. And I'll probably just use a chainsaw mill on that. But the idea is to use these for fence planking. So we could attach it to this side to the 4x4 post. So on the outside, it would kind of look like, the cedar log. So it kind of look like we have a stacked log fence. That's the idea. It's going to take a lot of slab wood to do that because this is not a huge place, but it's not very small. We also used Ahab over there, the all-wheel drive Safari, which was incredibly useful to get down into the area where the mill was. While a friend of mine lent me his trailer so we could do this. And now I'm going to pull the cruiser back down and get inside and start on dinner because it's getting cold. It's getting cold to the point where I actually had to put my coat back on. This is Matt with The Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I'm going to hop in this cruiser and park it where it belongs.